Yes, good evening guys. And I'm super happy and grateful because kakatapos lang ng aming webinar and nakapag-serve tayo kay Sir AJ Anthony from Mindanao, Cagayan de Oro. And hindi ko alam kung bakit ito nag-yes, pero maybe sa family niya, maybe sa kanyang sarili, maybe sa grandfather, maybe makatulong sa ibang tao. And lahat naman tayo gusto maging successful, maging maganda yung buhay. And guys, share ko lang pala, this will be my day 25. And it's all about raising my standards. Ganun pa rin. Yung racing standard ko is yung nakaraan pa rin video na ganun, na we will try to bring more people in webinar and seminar. So yun lang guys, I hope Sir AJ, na-inspire ka kanina. Maybe hindi ka nakapag-focus ng konti, pero I hope nakita mo yung community and nakita mo yung pangalan. Yun lang guys, see you soon.